Hi dear, I would like to show you how to install WordPress website in cpanel. This is the cpanel dashboard. Almost every cpanel is same. So here you can see many sections like files, dashboard, domains, emails, security, software. Normally in the software you can see some application auto installer. So click on apps installer. You can see WordPress. So just click it install button, then it will go to WordPress installation page. Here you can select what version you need. I'm selecting the last version. If you have SSL certificate, you can select HTTPS or HTTP. This is which you have ready, you can select it. Here I am selecting HTTP. This is the directory. If you remove the directory, it will install public HTML folder on the main root directory. If you need to install inside one folder, you can create like folder name. So what happens when you enter the folder name here in the public HTML, automatically create one folder and it will install new database and new file automatically. This is site name. You can you can enter your site name here and site description here. If you want to change admin username, you can change it. Here I am keeping default. And password, you can change, you can enter your password. I'm entering my password. Here you need to enter your email address, because in case you forget password, you can reset the password. So I'm entering my email address here. Okay, this is the basic setup for installation WordPress. So after, you can see install button. After a couple of seconds, installation done successfully. So you can see new folder 002n. This is I enter the directory name. This is the site now. You can see. See, site is ready, and this is the admin. If you go installation WordPress installation page, you can see new installation here. I already installed before to WordPress website, and every WordPress installation you will be able to see in the list of current installation list. This is the admin. Here, this is the admin dashboard. I hope this video helpful for you. Thank you very much for watching.